everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. And I just wanted to talk to you about Boeing today because I have a setup for you here in Boeing. And we're already away from that original setup zone, so I am going to give you a 30-minute pullback. But the daily zone is 224.98 to 230.18. And we have triggered on a 30-minute chart for a swing trade. You can see where the blue crosses the red right here. So what I wanted to do was look at a 30-minute pullback as a zone of risk to get you in even closer. Okay, so your cluster is going to be 237.43 to 239.91. Now you can use this zone of risk that I have on the 30-minute chart, but also still use the target that is on the daily, which is 291.72 and 308.45. Something else I want you to be aware of on the way up is this resistance coming in 259 to 260.10. And then also we may get some, that's the resistance that I'm looking at right there, is from that low to this high to that low, and it happens to correlate with the 618. So 259 to 260.10. And targets are 291 and 308, and your 30-minute setup is 237.43 to 239.91. That's the zone of risk. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. If you are not in the Fibonacci room, please come and join us. We give setups all day, every day, and then I have my futures charts up 24/7 from Sunday to Friday. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me